Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the steps to turn off two-step verification for your Gmail account. This feature adds an extra layer of security, but sometimes you may want to disable it for convenience. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your device. If you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, the process is quite similar. Once the app is open, look for your profile photo in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to reveal a menu. Next, select Manage your Google account from the options that appear. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings related to your Google account. Now navigate to the Security tab at the top of the screen. This section contains all your security settings, including two-step verification. Scroll down until you find the two-step verification option and tap on it. At this point, you will be prompted to enter your password to verify your identity. Type in your password and click Next. This step is crucial as it ensures that only you can make changes to your account settings. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll see the two-step verification settings page. Here, look for the option that says Turn off two-step verification. Tap on this option. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you're sure you want to turn off this feature. Review any warnings about reduced security, and if you're certain about your decision, select Turn off again to confirm. And that's it. You have successfully turned off two-step verification for your Gmail account. Remember that while this makes logging in easier, it also reduces your account's security. It's a good idea to consider re-enabling this feature when you don't need immediate access. Thank you for following along. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your Google account effectively.